Hello everyone, welcome to Mechanical Mindset 10. I'm your host Yuvraj. Today we are going to learn about the various uh, tips about how to become a successful mechanical design engineer. So among all the tips, I have listed 10 tips here today so that we can, if we focus on these tips, we will be very successful mechanical design engineers. So first of all, the first thing is the mindset of a design engineer. So what I recommend is after becoming a mechanical design engineers, it's not about becoming expert in your design softwares. It's about the mindset. It's about the how you solve the problems. So that's the thing. So a mechanical design engineer always thinks what will be the function of that product, what will be the load on that one, and how it will be fail under different conditions. So from today, if we start observing the real products and ask why was it designed this way, like suppose if you see the computer, you have to question yourself that uh, how it has been made. So what are the materials that has been used, what are the manufacturing processes that has been used, and under what conditions that will be failed. So that sort of things we have to start thinking like a real mechanical design engineers. So after that one, I believe that we should have the strong fundamentals of the core subject we used to learn in our like bachelor's, masters, or any courses like you have learned, like strength of materials, machine designs, engineering mechanics, and many importantly manufacturing processes as well. So try to understand this concept, those instead of memorizing those formulas, rather than and try to think outside of the box, and understand how this principle works in real life, a real product. And apart from this one, there is third more tips, that is engineering drawing and GD&T. So most of the engineers, when even I started earlier, and sometimes even at this time as well, I got confused about the certain GD&T symbols. So it's at first it feels really overwhelming, but when you start to get to know that, it will feel very easy. And then we have to learn about on that one, because when there is, if you provide little high precisions, instead of if there is a level uh, tolerance as well, then there will be the higher manufacturing cost, uh, and then they require the high quality control process as well. So learn about the different types of the views, orthographic views, top section views, section views, and what are the tolerance and fit types, and basic GD&T symbols, and how it works. So that will really help us to know about the GD&T things. A design is complete only when it can be manufactured and inspected. So we have to provide the required tolerance, um, and uh, symbols, required engineering drawing symbols as well, so that the machinist or the other people will know about our products. And then it's also really important. So that four tips, it's CAD software. So we have to be a master on that software, but only being a masters on the softwares is not like you become a good mechanical design engineer. So you have to learn that softwares, you know how you will be designing that things, and what sort of loads that can withstand. So you have to calculate that one. So choose one software, it's like SolidWorks, Creo, Inventor, what do you like. And it's really based on the uh, job preference as well. So focus on the parametric modeling, assemblies, and design intent. Main thing is design intent. So basically design intent means what our client wants. And so for example, clients wants the uh, car with the three wheels. That's uh, that's the requirement. But as a mechanical engineer, how we are going to design a car that really runs on the three wheels, and we can make the car with the three wheels in a multiple ways. Yeah, so there are various design can be possible. So how I make, that's my design intent. So that, but that should be very clear that our clients, those who people who are um, like what we say that those peoples who are checking out drawings should know that how we have make that design, and so that they can validate as well. And another one more tips is material selections. So uh, only designing, learning about the all the fundamentals, how GD&T works, but you have selected the wrong materials, then whole design will fail, isn't it? So we have to know about the material selection as well. So learn about the various materials that we can use for that applications. So learn about the steels, aluminum, plastics, and their applications, their properties, and their types as well. So you have to know about the like supplies as well sometimes. So if you select the material that is not available locally, and you have to import from the uh, other nations, other sites, so that will be expensive. Yeah, so you have to be very careful about that one as well. So select the materials that as per our requirement, strength, weight, cost in the environment as well. So think about that one when you are making the design. Yeah, so let's move to the next one. So next will be manufacturing knowledge. So understand that how machining, how sheet metals rules, casting, molding intolerance, and other manufacturing like types. Like there can be the conventional manufacturing practices. Nowadays there is integrated manufacturing and advanced manufacturing as well. So we have to know about like how we can manufacture that product. So always ask, can this product be manufactured easily? So instead of making a fancy designs, go for simple and practical designs. So ask before making designs, ask how we are going to manufacture this product, and think like that one. So after that one, we have to, as I already so that tell you guys that there will be real world design thinking as well. So to know those things, start small projects such as like there can be anything like brackets, anything. You can see many YouTube videos, so that you know about how that works. Document your complete design process, and then you can help to buttress your skills. So uh, another, there comes analysis and validation. So learn about the hand calculation, so that will make the base for our understandings, base for our knowledge. And then we can make the calculation in softwares as well. So that's for you to make more mature mechanical engineering. So know about the safety factors, and then how we do like analysis, like FE analysis, finite element analysis, using ANSYS, using other softwares, that sort of things. And design without validation is risky, isn't it? So always try to validate your design. So how much a load resistance it can occurs, what will be the stress deformation, that sort of things. And another more important thing is communication and documentations. Learn to explain your design very clearly and create professional reports as well. So communication is a key skills for design engineers. We have to explain our design ideas to the client who doesn't have who don't have any idea about how mechanical engineering works. So that sort of things we have to be very careful and work on that one. So uh, and one more last tips. So career and continuous growth. Building your career is really important. So you are mechanical engineers who practice start from the graduate roles, and then you growth here. So you can build your LinkedIn profile, share your projects, and learn from the seniors. Design engineering is a long-term journey, so don't be overwhelmed when you start it first. So it will be very it's a very vast field, isn't it? So if you understand, um, So every day is a new lessons. So we have every day is a new day, and we learn new things, isn't it? So that's the things. And one more thing is, if you have a really good mechanical design engineers, so try to um, shadow them. So suppose how they make the decisions, how they may do the projects, um, that sort of thing. So that will be really helpful to accelerate your career as well. So these are the 10 tips that will help you to become a successful mechanical design engineer. So I think this will definitely help you guys. So stay tuned, subscribe my channel, Mechanical Mindset 10. So I will be uh, available and coming with new video very soon. Thank you very much. Have a good day.